drive for this. Sorry in advance, neighbors, but let's see this cold start real quick. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. As you guys seen by today's title of the video, we are doing a late night POV drive in my 2023 BMW M340i. For those of you guys that might be new to the channel, my name is Jay. This is my daily driver, 2023 BMW M340i with the infamous B58. The car is, as of right now, fully stock, which is actually a reason why I wanted to make this video. So I actually have an appointment to install my first mod on this car this upcoming Monday. I wanted to do it this week, but the shop didn't have availability till next Monday, so we're gonna get that done that Monday. So I thought I'd bring out this video. I don't know why, but I wanted to record this video in its stock form. That might be weird to some of you guys, but whatever. Yeah, so with that being said, the car is fully stock. It does have a factory upgraded exhaust though. It does have the M Performance exhaust, so I guess it's not fully stock, but it is still how it came out of the factory. So stock but not stock, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, no mods. It just has the M Performance exhaust, which sounds amazing. I don't think I'll ever sell this exhaust or upgrade this exhaust because you don't really need it. This thing sounds great for what it is, and they came with the car. So yeah, anyways, sorry, I don't want to talk too much in this video. I do want to make this a POV drive. I want you guys to feel like you guys are driving this car. I know a lot of you guys watching might be in the market for one. I know when I was in the market for one of these are the type of videos that I will watch. POV drives, you know how they drive, whatever, how they sound. So with that being said, I'm gonna try to not talk too much and just let the car do the talking. Still this thing in Sport Plus. Drive and drive for a little bit, Sport Plus. It's like a quarter throttle. I hope you guys can hear the exhaust pretty good. I would bring on the windows, but one, it is windy. Two, I'm getting kind of sick, so yeah, I ain't trying to get sick. So this thing in manual mode. I just put the windows up because I feel like that wind is probably just gonna hurt the audio. The little farts, bro. I hope you guys can hear the little backfires. That is one good thing about this exhaust. So these cars don't backfire. It's not like the 2020 where they freaking backfire hella like factory or whatever. This car doesn't, but with this exhaust it kind of does. This car is so addicting to drive just like that, bro. You don't even need to be stepping on it to have fun. It's crazy. Let's do a little 20 roll right here. This thing definitely pulls, guys, for being stock. It's obviously nowhere near as fast as my Z, but it still gives me like a good little feeling. And this thing makes like I don't know, like a third of the power maybe. These cars are an amazing bang for your buck. I have zero regrets of buying this car. When I bought this car, for those of you guys that don't know, I was supposed to buy this or an F80 M3 or a Mark V Supra. That was like my top 3 choices. I was this close to buying an F80. Deal fell through. This one popped up like a month or 2 later. I jumped on it and here we are, and no regrets at all. little snack pack, or is it a? Oh, it's a fat V6. Telling you guys, that in itself is super addicting. Damn, it's cold. At least it is boost weather, I guess. Oh hell nah, bro. So I hate driving late at night. The car's not super clean, but it's not dirty. Call me extra, whatever. Let's do a 20 road. B58 screaming. You know you drive a BMW when it makes that noise. Entering the freeway in Mexico. I don't want to go too crazy. Oh man, this thing is so much fun, guys. I'm telling you. And now, the best part of this car, similar to my Q50, if you guys ever watched those videos, you guys know I would always like preach on this. I just did all what I just did. Do this, comfort mode, throw it in drive, the thing becomes a grandma car. So you can do all that, have hella fun in it, beat some pretty quick cars on the street, and then hop on the freeway and get like, I don't know, 30 miles to the gallon maybe, more. That's another thing about this car, it's very efficient on gas. I filled up like, I don't know, a week ago already, and it's still over half a tank. I love this car, guys. Now obviously I'm not going to do this because of copyright reasons, but there's nothing like I hope that's not a cop, bro. That's a shitty feeling, bro. Ever since I got pulled over in the Z, whenever I see a Charger behind me, especially when I'm doing stupid, my like blood drops. But nah, I'm chilling. I hope. Man, you guys live in Cali, you guys know what I'm talking about. Anyways, usually drives like this, I be bumping music, big chilling. Oh, that fool is swerving pretty bad, bro. That Charger. So I don't think it's a cop. Not sure if bro was drinking and driving, but he was definitely swerving hella. Don't drink and drive, kids. That shit sucks. That shit's lame as fuck, bro. Not saying he was, but he was swerving pretty bad, so. Oh, another thing. On these cars, when it's in comfort mode, it has a start and stop option. I don't like it. But right now, since I've been beating on it, I don't mind for this to turn off, take a little break. And now we wait for the light. Wake up. Not the biggest fan of that feature, but like I said, after I've been beating on it, take a little break, bro, it's all good. I wanted to do a third gear 50 roll on the freeway. I mean, the highway in Mexico, but see if I could do one right here real quick. Because actually, I don't think I've ever done one. Because I think with B58s, quote me if I'm wrong, well, I'm about to find out right now. I think a good spot for this motor in this Trans is a 50 roll in third gear. Unlike in my Z. Damn, them backfires. It was a little too low on the RPM, too low on the power band, but I mean, it still pulled nice. It sounded great, that's for sure. Alright, we're done abusing you. Maybe. I love driving my cars at night. Yeah, guys, if you guys are in the market, like I said, for one of these cars, no complaints whatsoever. And I've had this car for, dang, it's been 2 months already. Time is flying, bro. It's been 2 months since I got this car. I got it on the 16th. I bought it on the 16th, brought it home on the 18th, something like that. Damn, 2 months, crazy. Alright, fine. Before we end the video, I'll do one more pull. I'll give you guys a little, small little 4-year-old right here. There she is, guys. 2023 BMW M340i. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this is a car that you are interested in, I hope this video helped. And if it didn't, still get it anyways, bro. You're gonna love it. That being said, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this little video. If you guys did, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell button so you guys can be there whenever I post. I'll catch you guys on the next one. The next video will be us lowering the M340i, unless it'll probably be another video and then it'll be that one. But the next video on this car will more than likely be lowering the M340. So catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.